Good evening.
Evening.
How is the evening?
Very fine, no complaint. How is the evening, boy?
I'm doing fine as well, thank you.
Great.
All right. To those that are new, you all welcome to our lessons on Forex trading. Let me just mute you all. My name is Silva. Where is the background coming from? I'll just... My name is Silva. I am a Forex trader. I've been trading Forex since 2016. Well-experienced Forex trader. My name is pronounced as it's written, Silva. It's a tongue-twisting word. Most people struggle to pronounce it, but it's just as it is, Silva. Okay, some call it Slinta. It's also fine, Silva. My Christian name is Tom. If you can't pronounce Silva, you can call me Tom, okay? We are operating a Forex Institute, okay, where we teach people how to trade, people like you that wants to learn how to trade. We can help you to start with your Forex career. You know, as a social media user, wherever you go, you see Forex trading, invest your money, and so on. People are losing money a lot on the internet. We have decided with my team to give you this lesson completely for free to open your eyes, to help you, to save you from losing money, mostly from scammers that wants you to invest your money with them, but at the end of the day, it keeps ending in tears. This is to help you to learn to do the things yourself. Forex is not really complicated like people try to make it look. It's very simple, and you are able to do it yourself. There is nothing special about us that trades Forex. You can also do exactly just like we do it. You don't have to be a victim of scams and all that, okay? We are trying to clean the country, actually, okay? So this is a free lesson from our course outline. We published our full course outline today on the group. Let me just share my screen. Before we start, I just want us to double check if everything is fine, if you can hear me very well. Let me allow you to unmute yourself.
Yeah, to my side, I hear you very well, loud and clear.
Okay, good.
Yeah, even my side is okay. I don't know if everyone's to the thing.
Okay, good. We have published our course outline today. It consists of 2 modules, actually. Where module 1, it's more of Forex trading. What is Forex? How does it work? That is the day 1. This is the first day. That is what you're going to do tonight. How does it work? Who trades Forex? And all the basics that you need, how much to start with, and so on. Then tomorrow, we are going to move to how to create your own trading account, how to deposit, how to withdraw. And then day 3, we are going to walk you through the trading application that we use. The trading application that we use, that is the MetaTrader 5. That is the basic application that we use, how to log in, how to link your account, very basic stuff that you can find on the internet. We just tried to make it easy for you. And then day 4, how to deposit with your card. Cryptocurrency, we won't go in detail with cryptocurrency as we have a separate lesson on it. And D, P2P, how to use these methods effectively. Then day 5, we will have Forex. This is a premium version now. Day 5, we mostly talk about Forex terminologies like PIP, lot, leverage, margin, pending orders, and so on. Tradable instruments like Euro USD, gold. These are the things that we trade in the Forex market. Boom, crash, volatility, jump, NASDAQ, S&P 500. Someone just wrote in the chat that when are we going to talk about synthetic indices? These are the boom and crash. We usually cover these things in day 5. How to trade cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, stock, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, for example. And then we move to the technical analysis and the tools, trading tools, support and resistance, Japanese candlesticks, the Fib retracements, moving average. Then day 9, that is where we look at fundamental analysis, the interest rates, how does it affect the market? And then day 10, we were looking at day 10 from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock with our August intake. Some of you were trying, maybe the passcode was wrong. That is because we're using a different passcode with the August intake. How to use the economic calendar, how to trade the news, multiple time frame, the US dollar index, that is day 10. Then day 11, this is advanced, where we look at the smart money concept, market structures, order blocks, market sentiments, how to be an institutional trader, prop firm trading. We look at that on day 11. And then day 12, it's the money management and the risk management part. How not to blow your account. We cover those things in day 12. Position sizing, stop loss orders, risk to reward ratio, diversification, leverage, trading plan, and so on. Number 1 cause of death of Forex trader, poor risk management, revenge trading, unrealistic expectations. Some people, they get scammed, then they give up. We cover that in day 12. Day 13, that is where we reveal our top 4 best trading strategies. Day 13, the news trading strategy, the boom and crash trading strategy, the higher high, lower low strategy, as well as the chart pattern strategy, covered in day 13. Day 14, we teach you how to develop your own trading plan, how to create your entry and your exit criteria. This is where you learn how to enter and how to exit. They will teach you when to exit, when to enter, your own strategy, how to position yourself, back testing. And then day 14, we cover Forex trading scams. There is a lot of scams in the Forex market. We teach you all the tricks that people use to scam other people in the Forex industry. The crypto investments, Ponzi schemes, account management. Pay a small amount before you get your big chunk trick. This is a common scam. After you invest your money, they will ask you to pay a small amount before you can withdraw. It's a common trick. We teach you those things. Pressure tactics, lack of transparency, and so on. Then trading psychology. We cover it in day 14. Then after that, we move to module 2. We won't be done there. We will move to module 2. We'll dive deeper into cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency and Forex nowadays, they are like this. You can't be a Forex trader and you don't know how to operate cryptocurrency and you don't know what it is. We give a full module on cryptocurrency starting from day 15, where we'll walk you through the introduction to cryptocurrencies, the definitions. How does cryptocurrency differ from the traditional currency? The concept of decentralized finance, known as DeFi, its significance and the history of cryptocurrency and the creation of the first cryptocurrency. Crypto was invented in 2009 by an unknown guy called Satoshi Nakamoto. We look at that. And then we look at its evolution of other cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology, of which the cryptocurrency, it relies on that technology, its explanation, the securities and the transparency in the crypto network. Then day 16, we cover the type of cryptocurrency. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, Dogecoin, all those things, Ripple, and so on. Then understanding stable coins and how does it work. The basics of crypto mining. What is crypto mining? Mechanism, proof of work, and so on, and wallets. What is a crypto wallet? We will look at those things. How do you buy and sell crypto? When you have crypto, what do you do with it? Where can you buy crypto? Where can you sell it? We're going to look at that. Then the peer-to-peer platform, the difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges. And then day 17, we compare what is the difference between when you are trading crypto and when you are investing in crypto. We look at that into day 17. The crypto regulations. How is crypto regulated or it's unregulated? All those things. The government have failed to regulate the crypto industry. We look at those concepts. The risks and the securities. Common risks associated with crypto investments, its volatility, the scams involved, loss of access when you lose your wallet, for example, the security best practices, for example. Then day 18, the real world use of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is now used on a daily basis. We use it to deposit and withdraw. We now go deeper, how we do that, when do we exchange it, and so on. And then we have seen crypto being used a lot in smart contracts, for such smart contract. We recently had a smart contract that caused chaos in the country, Tron Grace. They use cryptocurrency. How do you use it in a smart contract? All those things. How do they use it? Day 19, how to deposit and withdraw with the most advanced and complicated payment methods in the Forex market. How do you deposit, withdraw with a card? We all know. How do you deposit and withdraw with crypto on your own? We're going to look at that. Wallets, direct P2P, and then the wallets, Perfect Money, Neteller, Binance. How do we deposit and withdraw on Binance or Neteller or Perfect Money? That is covered in day 19, as well as altcoin trader. It's covered on day 19. This is a complete course of Forex. After doing this course, you are not going to need any other course ever again. Then day 20, we're going to do revision. And then day 21 to 30, it's practicals. We now fund our accounts and trade live, what we have been talking about. Okay, let me turn that on. And then we have a quick quote before we start. If I wait long enough, there's always another great trade that will set up. I am more concerned about the mistakes I make than the markets that I miss. That was by a trader, famous trader, Peter L. Branded. For tonight, we are here for day 1, baby steps. And we're going to give you day 1 to day 4 completely for free, starting tonight until Thursday. Make sure you should not miss. You will really walk away with something. Okay. So this is what we're going to cover tonight. Without wasting time, we can get started with that. So for tonight, we are here for the introduction to Forex trading. Let me just mute you all. Are we all fine before we can start now?
Yes. To my side is okay.
Yeah. Before I start again, I have some gifts for you. Quick gifts. The Deriv team, they came to visit me and then they left me with some stuffs. This is the broker that we use. They left me with a lot of caps, Deriv caps, written 25 years Deriv. They are celebrating 25 years of being a broker and a lot of diaries. Okay, these diaries with me, black, nice and soft. Deriv are very nice. Not diaries, but notebooks, maybe to say. Okay, these are notebooks. And then these are yours. They are for you. They are not mine, okay? And then some bags as well that I have here for you. Where is this one? It's these bags, okay? Very simple bags, branded with deriv. They are not mine. They are for deriv traders, people that trade with deriv. It's very simple. Simply just create your trading account under our link. I'll drop the link in the group on all our social media platform if you don't have an account with deriv. After that, then upgrade it to real. How do you know that you are trading with deriv? Simply fund it with a 10 USD to show your commitment. Then you give me a call. We can arrange to courier your. It will be 3. It's a diary, a cap for you, and the bag. Ne? This is what will courier to you. After you deposit or fund your account with the 10 USD, it's a sign that you are trading with the deriv. You get a free gift that they left this with me. They are not mine. Okay. That was just some information. We can now start, okay?
Sorry, Mr. Sim.
Yeah.
Mr. Sim, can you please make sure that everyone is muted? Because we don't want to be disturbed, right?
Okay, I'll mute everyone and I'll not allow anyone to unmute himself. Okay. Introduction to Forex trading. Those of you that have been asking, or you have seen it on social media, what is this Forex trading? It looks very complicated. There is nothing complicated. We are here to take you through, to make you understand. And one never learns to understand anything unless you love that thing. So for you to understand Forex, you should love it. Okay. What is Forex trading? That is the first thing. FX or Forex, sometimes it's abbreviated as FX. It's a short form for foreign exchange. If you write the word foreign exchange, there is this part FOR and EX, which you can combine to form the word Forex. Refers to the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. The original Forex. Now it's expanding into crypto and derived boom and crash, but when we are saying Forex, we are referring to currencies. Example, when you cross the border and travel to another country, maybe to Angola or to Botswana, wherever you want to go, you will need to change your money into the local currency. You need to give your Namibian dollar, so they give you the local currency of that country, okay? For instance, if you have Namibian dollar and you are visiting France, you will exchange your dollar for euros, because France is a country in the 27 members of the Eurozone. Most of them, they use the euro, okay? And then by doing this, you have participated in the foreign exchange market, okay? Facts about the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange markets, commonly known as Forex or FX, it's the largest financial market in the world with a daily trading volume of a $7.5 trillion. It's 7.5 trillion with a T, not a million, not a billion. Trillion, okay? If you compare it to the other markets, what we have here is the Forex market. It's the biggest market in the world. What people trade in a day, if you put it together within 24 hours, the amount of money that circulates in the Forex market in a day, it's a 7.5 trillion US dollar, not Namibian dollar, US dollar. Okay. If you compare it to the other markets, the Forex market 7.5, the stock market, the New York Stock Exchange, it trades about 22.4 billion. It cannot even come close to the Forex market. Okay. And then we have the Tokyo and the London stock markets. They are also very, very small. The Forex market, it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. As we speak, people are trading Forex, allowing traders to buy and sell currencies at any time. Between Monday and Friday, you can trade whenever you want. Okay. Okay, whenever you want. Okay. The Forex exchange market, it's decentralized, meaning it's everywhere. You don't have to be in Windhoek. You don't have to be in Swakop. You don't have to be in Katima. You don't have to be in Marintal. You don't have to be in Rundu. You don't have to be wherever you are. You can participate in the Forex market. Forex does not have an office. There is no office that you will go to that you want to start trading. You start trading from wherever you are. Okay? There's nothing special about Forex, actually. Everyone can participate. The foreign exchange market, it operates without a physical exchange or regulator, especially in our country. It's not being regulated. In other countries like US, you pay tax when you're trading a Forex. But in Namibia, we are still enjoying, and most of the African countries. If you make money in Forex, you enjoy in peace. There's nothing like Namra. You make your money, you enjoy it in peace. Not regulated yet. The Forex market has neither a physical location or a center of exchange. All you need, it's a stable internet connection. The internet connection that you are using now, it's more than enough to start trading Forex. And a computer or a smartphone, what you are using now to attend this Zoom session, that's all you need. Internet and the phone or a computer that you are using now. That is all you need. Okay? The Forex market is considered an over-the-counter, or is known as an OTC market, due to the fact that the entire market continuously run electronical. There is no counter that you go to and you give, then they take, and then there's nothing. Okay? With a network of banks and non-bank financial institutions, buying and selling of currencies. Forex trading is the simultaneous buying and selling of currencies. Buying and selling of currencies. I think the slide is okay. But it's basically the simultaneous buying and selling of currencies. You give the currency that you have, you get another currency. That is the physical one. Or in the market, you buy this currency, you sell this one at the same time. We'll explain what we mean by simultaneous buying and selling. For example, if you are traveling and you have Namibian dollars, maybe you want to travel to whichever country. In most cases, you first have to exchange to US dollar. What will happen? If you have a 10,000 that you wish to exchange, you will give your 10,000 Namibian dollar, then they give you US dollar. When you give your 10,000 Namibian dollar, you don't want it, isn't it? In that case, you are selling the Namibian dollar, and when they give you the US dollar, you are buying the US dollar. So what you are doing in that transaction, just to exchange, you are selling and buying at the same time. When two things are happening at the same time, it's known as simultaneous. So that is how trading is, simultaneous buying and selling of currencies. Currencies are traded through a broker. A broker, it's like a bank that operates online. We have a lot of banks in Namibia. We have Nedbank, Bank Windhoek, and Standard Bank, and so on. You choose where you want to go open your account based on your preference and so on. Brokers, they are like banks that operate online. You go to their website, you create your account. Deriv is a broker. the brand I'm putting on. It's a broker. You go to their website, you create your account. When you want to deposit, you will have an account, you deposit in your account, you trade. When you make money, you withdraw from that account. When you lose the money that you've deposited in the account. And they are traded in pair as currencies are quoted in relation to another currency. You compare one currency to the other currency. For example, we have the euro versus the US dollar. We are comparing the exchange rate of these currencies, the USD versus the Japanese yen, the Great British pound, also known as sterling, versus the US dollar. So what you have here, what is on the left is known as the base currency, and the value of the base currency is always 1. And then what you have on the right, like the USD, that is the quote currency. Let's assume the GBP/USD is trading at 1.21228. Okay. So what you have on the left, it's a currency pair, GBP/USD, and what you have on the right is the exchange rate, where it's trading, the market price, so to say. By simultaneously selling your euros and buying US dollar, you are engaging in a foreign exchange transaction. What we have here, exchange rates are determined by the value of one currency relative to the other. In general, the exchange rate of a currency versus the other currency is a direct reflection of the condition of the country's economy compared to the other economy. We're going to dive later to the economic part when we'll do fundamental analysis and news trading a lot. Okay. And then, for example, we have the euro. When you buy, you are expecting the euro to appreciate. If you buy the exchange rate for euro USD or a currency per euro USD, you are expecting the euro to appreciate. When you click a buy, when we click buys, we are expecting the euro to appreciate and then the US dollar to depreciate. I see people are raising hands, but I believe everything is fine. Are we fine? Can we proceed? I unmuted you.
Yeah, to me everything is okay.
Okay. When you sell, you expect the USD or the chart to go down, or you expect the USD to appreciate and the euro to depreciate. So that is what we have right there. There are 3 categories of currency pair. There are hundreds of currency pairs in existence, but the United Nations currently only recognizes 118 currencies. If you were to compare each currency with another, they are quite a lot, and you cannot manage to trade them all. And then we now have a category. The first is the major currency pair. The major currency pair, these are the most frequently traded pair, including the US dollar. You know the US dollar makes the world go round. The major category, these are currency pairs that have the US dollar in them. For example, if you compare the euro versus the US dollar, when you are trading the exchange rate between euro and US dollar, there is US dollar in it. These are currencies that are coming from the most developed countries in the world. For example, if I ask you which currency do you think, or which country do you think is most developed in the world, that country that you have in mind, when you have their currency, you compare it with the US dollar, you will have a category of a major currency pair. The USD versus the Japanese yen, it's a major currency pair. The GBP versus the US dollar, it's the major currency pair. The USD versus the Canadian dollar, it's a major currency pair. And USD, Swiss franc, Australian dollar, USD, New Zealand dollar versus the USD. This is the category of the major. Most of us, we trade these currency pairs a lot. Okay? Most traded. And then we have the minor currency pair. The minor currency pair, these are currencies from developed countries. When you compare a currency that is coming from a developed country with a currency that is another currency that is coming from a developed country as well, you put them together without the US dollar in it, developed versus developed without US dollar. It forms the second category, which is the minor currency pair. These are the most frequently traded currency pair that do not include the US dollar in the pairing, also called cross pairs. The euro versus the GBP, euro versus the Canadian dollar, GBP Japanese yen, euro Swiss franc, and so on. And then we have the exotic. Exotic is the third category. We also trade exotics. When you take a currency that is coming from a developed country, you compare it with a developing country or an emerging country. It forms the category of the exotic pair. This pair includes at least one currency from a developing or emerging country and are less traded than the major currency pair. Exotic pairs are characterized by lower liquidity and increased volatility. What do we mean by liquidity? For example, most of you are connected to Zoom with a cell phone. If I ask you to sell that cell phone, maybe you have an emergency and you don't have any other choice but to sell a cell phone, as an example. Maybe you want to sell it at 2,000 or let's say 3,000. What are the chances that you will find a customer? Let's say you really need the money now, you want to sell it at 3,000. What are the chances that you will find a customer? You might find a customer or you might not find a customer, but chances are very low that you will find a customer now. You might find a customer tomorrow, but the customer will not be willing to pay at 3,000. The customer might want to negotiate down maybe to 2.8, 2.7, meaning you will end up selling the cell phone at a price that you did not want and at a time that you also did not want. In a market like selling pre-owned cell phones, we will characterize it as lower liquidity. Why? Because you cannot sell and buy at the price that you want when you want it. In the Forex market, when you are trading, you can buy and sell currency pairs whenever you want at the price that you want. Whenever you want to buy, there are always sellers available. Whenever you want to sell, there are always buyers available to buy or sell to you or from you at the price that you want. A market like Forex market, we characterize it as high liquid market. Okay? Increased volatility. Volatility that the price moves a lot up and down. That is volatility. For example, the USD versus the Turkish lira. A good example would be the USD versus the South African rand, which is the ZAR, for example. Or the GBP with the Mexican peso. Those are exotic pairs. Market, Forex market size and liquidity. The US dollar is the most traded currency, making up about 84.9% of all transactions. You know, we have about 54 countries in Africa, but with a lot of currencies. I'm not sure how many currencies we have in Africa, but none of our currencies are used to conclude transactions internationally. Very sad. All our transactions, all our international transactions are concluded in the US dollar. Very bad for us, okay? It's the same with most of the countries. Most of the transactions are concluded, or foreign exchange transactions. These are Forex transactions. They are concluded in the US dollar. That's why about 84.9% of the transactions in the world, they are concluded in the US dollar. Okay. This gives us the liquidity table, currency distribution in the FX market. The Forex market is dominated by the US dollar, which takes about 84.9%, followed by the euro, 39.1%. The Japanese yen, 19.0%, the Great British pound, 12.9%, the Australian dollar, 7.6%, the Swiss franc, 6.4, the Canadian dollar, and then others comes into roughly 25%, just an estimate, not exact to say. And then the US dollar plays a central role in the foreign exchange market. The United States economy, it's the largest economy in the world. But if you follow news, you will see that China is it's also pushing very close, okay? China is pushing. The US dollar is the reserve currency of the world. Even as we are valued and rated in US dollars, the United States dollar is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. The United States has a stable political system. Though now we have, who is this lady campaigning with Trump, Donald Trump for the election, but it's still more stable. There are only few parties campaigning, but look at us, the national election. We have about 27 or so parties registered, speaking under correction, campaigning for election. Their political stability is good. The United States is the world's sole military superpower. You see how the United States are dominating in wars. The war in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia, they are busy supplying weapons. Though they say it's NATO, but if you dig deeper, you can see it's the US behind. The war between the Pakistans, Israel and Gaza, for example, they are busy supplying weapons, superpower in military. The US dollar represents about half of international loans and bonds. Lots of countries and foreign companies borrow in US dollar. The US dollar is the medium of exchange for many cross-border transactions. For example, oil is priced in US dollar. So in Japan, so if Japan wants to buy oil from Saudi Arabia, it can only be bought with the US dollar. I see Russia have fought this, and other countries, they are trying to fight this. They want to conclude transactions in their own currencies. If does not have dollar, it has to sell its yen first to buy the US dollar, okay? Who can trade the Forex market? Who are the people that trade the Forex market? The ECN brokers, they do trade the Forex market. We'll learn about types of brokers. These are the ECN brokers, and then the STP brokers. Some they refer to it as Book A and Book B brokers. We're going to learn about brokers later. Brokers, they also do trade the Forex market. Deriv trades the Forex market. XM Global is another broker. They also trade the Forex market. Port Forex, Exness, RCG, all these brokers, they trade the Forex market. Banks, they do trade the Forex market. When you invest your money with the bank, they promise to give you back your money with a high return. They don't just take your money and keep it. They take your money and invest it somewhere with high return. They can give it out as loans, bonds, mortgages, and so on. And one of the places they invest the money, the Forex market. Okay? And then me, I do trade Forex market as well. You can as well trade the Forex market. Reuters machines, they also trade the Forex market. Father Bernard can also trade the Forex market. Uncle Paul, Grandpa, Sister Maria can also trade the Forex market. Everyone can participate in the Forex market. There's nothing special about it, okay? Who can trade Forex? I think we covered that, just something in the slides. How can you trade Forex? It's the next thing that we'll cover. To trade Forex, you need a computer or a smartphone or both, and then you need to install a trading platform. I'll drop a picture on the group of the trading platform or the trading application that we use. The famous one is MetaTrader 5. There are a lot of new applications. There's web trading platforms, there's MetaTrader 4, there's CTrader, and all other platforms. Brokers are now developing their own platforms, but I'll recommend, or most of us, we trade with MetaTrader 5, okay? That is the one I'll recommend. And then you need proper education, like what we are doing now. We are really doing, we are giving you education on how to trade Forex effectively. You need to open an account with a broker. After this lesson, I want us all to open an account with a Deriv. That is the recommended broker, trusted, legit, 25 years of operation. They are celebrating 25 years of operation. You want to trade with a trusted broker. You can easily withdraw. You can easily deposit with them. Legit, okay. You need to open an account with a broker. And on the lesson for Thursday, it will be an exclusive lesson. It will only be available to those that have opened an account under our link, a Deriv account under our link, and you should fund it with a minimum of 10 USD. Why? The lesson for Thursday, I will teach you how to deposit and withdraw. It's your commitment to see that you can deposit, okay? And you will be able to trade and withdraw. It's mainly for those that are serious, okay? If you already have an account which is not under our link, we will discuss that at the end of this session on what you can do. And then this is how the trading platform looks like, MT4 MetaTrader 5. And then when you open your account, you'll be given a demo account or a practice account. This account, the broker gives it to you for free. They will put money for you for free in that account, okay? That is visual money. Demo money is visual money. It behaves exactly like real account, like a real account. But if you blow it, no one is going to follow you. And if you make money, unfortunately, you cannot withdraw it. It's a practice account. It's for practice, okay? I recommend us to start practicing on a demo account. I will show you, don't worry, how to open a demo account, how to connect it to this platform, and so on. For now, I just want you to start with the sign up yourself, then I'll pick it up from there to guide you step by step. And then at a later stage, you're gonna need trading capital to start trading Forex, okay? How to make money trading Forex? That is a common question. How can you make money trading Forex? As a Forex trader, you are speculating whether one currency will increase or decrease in value against another currency. In other words, Forex trading can be defined as the process of speculating currency prices to try and make profit in their fluctuations, okay? The value of a currency is influenced by economic, political, and geopolitical events and trade and financial flows, okay? I need to move my, okay. And financial flows. The objective in Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change in your favor. For example, just like in any other business, how do you make money? For example, if you're in a business of selling clothes, in most of us, we maybe go to Angola, we buy the clothes or we order them at a lower price, and then what do? You resell it at a higher price, you make profit. The same in Forex. How we trade, you know, the exchange rate fluctuates. The rate goes up and down. Like now, as we speak, the rate is trading at about 17.85 USD to Namibian dollar. You buy it when it's 17.5 low, you wait for the exchange rate, or you expect it to go to 19, you sell it at a higher price, you make profit. Just like in any other business, you buy low, you sell high, okay? Here's an example, assuming the exchange rate for USD versus the Namibian dollar today, it's 1 USD is equal to 17 Namibian dollar. Let's say you want to purchase 1,000 USD at the above exchange rate. This means that you will get or buy the 1,000 USD in exchange to sell giveaway minus 17,000 Namibian dollar. That is, for you to get the 1,000, they will take the 1,000 and multiply it, or you take the 1,000 and multiply it by 17. Meaning a 1,000 US dollar today, it's valued at 17,000. Assuming, okay? Just as an example. 2 weeks later, let's assume the exchange rate for 1 USD to NAD have appreciated from 17 to 19. Here, I'll try to be slow because it's very important, okay? Let's assume it have appreciated from 1 USD have appreciated from 17 to 19. What will then happen is when you exchange it back, let's say this time around, you want to sell back your 1,000 USD that you are in position of. This means that you will get, in exchange, they will take your 1,000 and multiply it by the new rate, which is 19. You will be given 19,000. What you have done in this case is 2 weeks back, you bought 1,000 USD when the rate was 17. You hold to it. 2 weeks later, the rate appreciates to 19. And when you exchange it, you'll be given a 19,000. Okay. This means you will earn a profit of 2,000 Namibian dollar from this exchange rate. 19,000 minus 17,000, it's a 2,000. Okay. The opposite also holds. If the rate was to depreciate, you are going to lose money. Now, you as a trader, your mission is to buy. You want to buy when the rate is 17. Maybe you do your analysis. When the rate is 17, let's assume it's 17. After you do your analysis, then you predict that maybe 2 weeks from now, the rate will move from 17 to 19. Then you buy, you hold to it. When it goes to 19, you sell, you make profit of the difference. You don't do that at the bank. You don't need to go to the bank. You can do that on your cell phone. You just have to open an account. I'll show you. You put the money that you want to exchange in that account. Then there's somewhere where you click a buy button and the sell button to do exactly as it's explained here. Okay? How much can you start with? It's a good question. It's a very, very common question. How much can I start with? The minimum deposit requirement, many brokers allow you to open an account with as little as $100 to $500. In fact, with Deriv, you can even start with a $20 or a 10 Namibian dollar. Okay. Some even offer micro or send accounts where you can start with as little as a 10 Namibian dollar. Recommended starting capital. While you can start with a small amount, it's recommended to start with at least a 1,000 or a 2,000. A bigger amount is recommended. This provides more flexibility and reduces the risk of significant losses. Okay? Can you get rich by trading Forex? Okay? It's a very common question. Everyone wants to get rich. Who doesn't want to get rich? To be honest, I want to get rich. Okay? I want to get rich. I can say it like Julius Malema says, without fear of any contradiction, I want to get rich. I'm sure even you, as you are listening to me, you want to get rich. You want more money. You want a fat pocket, isn't it? Now the question is, can you get rich by trading Forex? Let's find out. The Forex market is easily accessible to individuals with relatively small amounts of capital. And due to leverage, leverage is the ability to make more money than your small deposit. And the volatility of markets, the Forex market can offer the potential for high return, as well as high losses as well, okay? The opposite also holds. It is important to maintain realistic expectation. Realistic expectation, getting rich quickly through Forex trading is highly unlikely and often portrayed unrealistically in social media. On social media, if you go on social media, the way people talk about Forex it's as if it's something that can make you rich overnight, quick, you're already rich. But unfortunately, that is not the reality. The way it's being portrayed on social media, just a moment. Hey, we are back. Social media makes it look like Forex, it's something that people can maybe even quit their jobs and do. They can do better than their jobs. It's like the whole thing, you know how crazy social media nowadays is. Here are some things to consider before you start trading currencies or Forex. All Forex traders, and I do mean all traders, including myself, lose money on some trades. You are not just going to come in Forex and then you start making money. You go and buy your car. You have to relax. There are cases, there are some times that you'll be losing money. 99% of traders lose money due to poor planning, lack of training, and bad money management. If you are a super perfectionist or hate losing, trading may be challenging, as all traders experience losses at some point. If you know yourself like you are very smart, maybe everything in life for you it works out. Unfortunately, it's not with Forex. Forex, you will be losing money as well. You need to humble yourself, relax, calm down. That is the only way you will speak a good language with Forex. If you have a big head, then you have to reduce yourself. You should have an amount of trading capital that you are willing or can afford to lose. When you come to Forex, do not come with money that you need very urgently. It's best you come to Forex trading with reserved cash, reserved capital that you want to invest somewhere, maybe in a different business, but you can't figure out what business you can start. You can now bring your money, invest it in the Forex market. You trade it slowly. Okay? That way it can work for you. But if you want to get rich quick, it might not work for you. Okay? Forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not at all. It's just a business like any other business. Okay? Forex is just a business. Think of you starting a shebeen or any business, maybe with a budget of 20,000. How much can you make from the 20,000 in a year if you are to run a bar? Maybe you can make a 10,000 profit. It's the same with Forex. Let's look at it like any other business. The same money that you can start with any other business, the expected profit, you can expect the same result in Forex. Okay? You are not going to get rich quick overnight. Okay? Forex trading have high risk, very risk. You can lose your money in few minutes. Everything can be gone if you are not going to follow the right procedures. Forex market are incredible, volatile, and unpredictable. Even experienced traders like me can experience substantial losses. There are some times that I lose money, okay, in the Forex market. I'm not going to sell you a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm going to tell you the reality. That's why I keep saying I'm the most realistic Forex trader you will ever meet. Most legit, if not mistaken. I tell you the truth, okay? I'm not going to sell you dreams here. I want you to take Forex and approach it in the right way so that you can be successful. So leverage. While leverage can amplify gains, it can also magnify losses, leading to significant financial setbacks. Instead of you, maybe you get paid that 1,000 you're supposed to do something. Instead of you using it for something, if you abuse leverage and so on, you will end up losing the 1,000. What have you done? Instead of you progressing, you will be getting poorer and poorer and poorer. Okay, let's not get too excited about Forex. We have to calm down and approach it from the right angle. Competition. Forex market is highly competitive with large financial institutions. You'll be trading against institutions, experienced traders, and sophisticated algorithm, all competing for profit. Like now, we have high frequency trading. You will be trading against computers, competing against computers for a profit. Everyone wants to make money in Forex. I want to make money. You want to make money. Your broker wants to make money. Institutions, they want to make money. There's a high competition in the Forex market. Psychological factor. Trading requires discipline, emotional control, and ability to manage risk effectively. These factors can be challenging to master, leading to costly mistakes. There are things, a lot of things that you consider. If you looked at our course outline, there are a lot of things that you need to study. There are a lot of things that you need to master. It can take you about a couple of months, sometime to master, or a couple of years to master. And these factors or these things that you need to master sometimes can be challenging. There are some times that maybe we need to do a lesson again and again and again for slow learners before you can understand it. Like tonight, we're doing a lesson on how to trade the news, how to read the actual with the focus. We had to repeat it, or I had to repeat it again and again for some people to understand it. The good thing with us is we never leave anyone behind. If you don't understand, we'll wait for you to really catch up before you can proceed. And then Forex trading is a skill that requires time to learn. That is the truth. It requires your commitment and time to learn. Skilled traders can make money, but success takes time and does not happen overnight. Like I've indicated, I've been trading since 2016, but I only started to be profitable in the Forex market maybe for the past 3-4 years. All these other years, I've been spending them on studying, figuring out this and that, and so on, okay? When can you trade Forex? This is the other thing that we look at. The Forex market starts with the Sydney section, and then the Tokyo session, London, New York, and so on. What is this thing that I'm referring to? When you are trading Forex, remember you are trading currencies that are coming from some parts of the world. And to us, now it's evening, but somewhere in some part of the world, to them it's daytime. Okay. What will happen now? For example, what will happen if you are trading the Australian dollar and for them they are sleeping? Maybe you are trading the US dollar and for them they are sleeping or in the bank. Trading sessions is one thing that you need to understand, the basics. What time of the day, let's say when you are trading the Australian dollar, you want to understand what time do people in Australia wake up? What time do they work? What time do they knock off? What time do they start work? Mostly, what time do they start work? What time do they knock off? Why? You want to understand what time do they start work, because these are the active hours that they usually make transactions in their banks. If they are awake 8 o'clock, transactions are going on in the banks. These are the time that you will see that the exchange rate of their currency will move a lot. Based on our local time, African time, Namibian time, the Forex markets usually starts with the Sydney session, that is the Australian dollars. For them, they start at 7 o'clock in their country. For us, it will be 2300 hours the previous day. The Forex market starts at on Friday for us. It opens on Friday at 11 o'clock. And the currency that you will see moving when the market opens, it's the Australian dollar, because to them, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. They are in the banks, they have started to make transactions. And then it later moves to the Tokyo session. For them, they start at 9 o'clock. To us, it will be 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay? Tokyo session, and then the Sydney session will close in their local currency at 4 o'clock, but for us, it will be 8 o'clock in the morning. That's why if you are trading Australian dollar, most of the time, you will be trading their news at 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Like when we're busy with the students, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, I told them, there's a news that will be released on Wednesday, CPI on Australia. If we want to trade it, we have to wake up at 3:30 in the morning and trade it. Why? It's their currency. For them, they are awake that time, it's morning. For us, we have to wake up and trade it if you want to trade and make money on the Australian dollar, okay? Then followed by the Tokyo session, this is the Japan. The Japan, they will then kick in from 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And then we have the London session. The London session, these are the UK people. They now come in, the pound will start to move from 8 o'clock. For us, it will be 9 o'clock in the morning. The Tokyo session will then close. The Japanese session will close at 10 o'clock in the morning in our local time. It will be 6 o'clock for them. The London session, this is the time that you will mostly see the Great British pound moving a lot, the exchange rate. It will be 9 o'clock in our local time. It will push, and then at 1 o'clock, the New York session comes in. The mighty US dollar will then come in at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. For them, in the US, it will be 8 o'clock in the morning. In our country, the US dollar starts to move at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, then the London session closes at 1700 hours in their time. For us, it will be 1800 hours. And then 17, as we speak, the New York session is still running. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure what's the time now. This is the time that most of the time, you will see if you are to trade gold, the gold will close at 10 o'clock and then it will reopen later. These are some advanced lessons you will learn later. When can you trade the Forex market? There is no time that the Forex market closes during the week that it formally closes, okay? Although there are some short breaks, like I said, gold, sometimes it closes just for a few hours, then it reopens again. When most American traders have gone and then other than the weekends, the Forex market, when you are saying Forex, these are currencies. They open Monday to Friday only. Apart from weekends, there are only 2 public holidays that the Forex market closes. Like now, we are celebrating Heroes Day in Namibia, okay? Salutations to all the heroes and heroines in Namibia. Okay, but guess what? We are trading today. People are trading. They don't care if we have Heroes Day in Namibia or not. That's why we have this lesson. We are trading. We will be working during holidays. When you be at home and so on, we will be working. So that's why I set this lesson on purpose, just to let you know that even holidays, the Forex market, you as a Forex trader, you don't rest, you work, except for Christmas and New Year. Now the beauty is, there is derivative. Derivative, on top of Forex, they became very smart. They designed a system. They came up with instruments they were previously known as synthetic indices. These are now known as derived instruments like volatility, jump, boom, and crash. When the Forex market closes on Friday, for it never closes. Sunday to Sunday, Monday to Monday. Even weekends, you will be trading with deriv. Their market never closes. Most of the people, they know deriv is a synthetic broker. It's a volatility boom and crash broker, because that is what it's famous for. It's famous for being able to trade weekends with them. That is why they are famous for. But they also offer currencies just like any other broker. Under their financial accounts, they also offer stock, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and so. They also offer indices, those that love NASDAQ, US 30. You can trade deriv, anything that stocks, whatever you think of trading, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can trade it with deriv. So that is the thing. Although the Forex market is open 24 hours daily, there is no way you can trade all sessions at the end of the day. Who does not sleep? You need to rest as well. Besides, sleep is an integral part of a healthy lifestyle. Understanding the 4 trading sessions, the London session tends to be the busiest out of the 4 trading sessions. Liquidity is believed to be at its optimal level. So the London session, meaning from 9 o'clock up to 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock up to 6 o'clock. You should not miss that session. As a trader, you should mostly trade between 9 o'clock in the morning until 6 o'clock in the evening. In our country, that is the time that the market moves a lot. That is the time that you can potentially make money during the day if you are a day trader. Okay? And then the London-New York session overlap. That is where the London session meets with the New York session. It's believed to be the busiest period in a trading session, and it's very true. Between 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock, in fact, between 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock, is the busiest time that the market moves like crazy. Okay. And the best time of the days to trade, when can you trade? If you are a trader, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, do not miss those days. The middles of the week, it's the best days to trade, okay? So this brings us to the end of our first lesson of many lessons. This is day 1 lesson of maybe out of 30 lessons that we are yet to cover, okay? This brings us to the end of our first lesson of many lessons to come in our Forex course or in our Forex career. Do we have questions? This is question time now. Any questions? Let me allow you to unmute yourself. Allow you to unmute yourself now. Before we get to questions, I want us to introduce you to our services. I want to introduce you to our services that we offer. We offer mentorship for 6,000 Namibian dollar. This includes the Forex, the full Forex course, very advanced. We have improved it, trust me. And as well as signals, lifetime signals for 3.5. Crypto exchange. If you have cryptocurrency that you wish to exchange, you can as well exchange it with us, or you can buy crypto from us. We as well operate deriv P2P. I'll teach you that on Thursday. What is deriv P2P? Deposits and withdrawals. When you want to deposit and withdraw from your Forex account, we can assist you with that on a small commission. And then account verification. When you are trading and you want to verify your account, proof of identity and proof of address, we can assist you with that. And coming soon, most exciting, copy trading. We will soon be launching copy trading. Okay, we have been working on that for a couple of months now. But soon we should be able to launch copy trading. Thank you for staying until the end. FX team wishes you a prosperous trading journey ahead. We can now take a step back to the question time. For those that wants to rest, I know it's getting late. You can rest now. Have a blessed night ahead. We'll catch up tomorrow, same time, from 9 o'clock. For those that have questions, I am still available for questions. You can come through and ask your questions. I will now allow you to unmute yourself. Okay, you can unmute yourself and come through if you have questions.
Okay. Evening, Mr. Silta.
Yes, good evening. How are you?
Fine, just now.
Very well.
For me, I just have a question on where you mentioned that for us to participate in the lesson for Thursday.
Huh?
For Thursday,
Yeah.
we should open an account with Derib and using your link. What if you have an account already?
That is a basic challenge that we are facing. Let's be honest, ne? We are here talking about money, ne? When you open your account, I am an IB. When you open your account under my link, when you will be trading, I'll be getting some small commissions. That will also motivate me. Who doesn't like money? That is the truth. Let's not hit around the bush. When you open your account under my link, I will be getting some commissions and some small coins when you'll be trading with Derek. And that will motivate me to keep giving you free lessons. Okay. That will motivate me to continue to give you free lessons as we progress. Okay.
Oh.
And now, if you already have an account somewhere, it's okay. It's your choice now. But for now, you can temporarily create an account with a different email using someone's credentials. This can be your kid. This can be your cousin. There are a lot of people around us that are not trading at all. It's people that we trust, cousins, brothers and sisters. You can simply just create a different email. You create a separate account under that, under my link. You will be, for that, we will be able to progress with each other. Like we'll be able to teach each other a lot of things. You'll be able to benefit from gifts. You'll be able to benefit a lot, and a lot of information is coming up. Okay, that is the only simple request.
So if I open an account using a different email, I can still verify it with the same document that I verified the other one.
No,
but
what I'm saying, forget about your account.
Yeah.
Do not use your card to deposit on that. Open a separate account with someone's credential you trust. It can be your kid, your cousin, it can be your brother or sister. What will then happen is, when you want to deposit, you either, most of the time, you can deposit through us and withdraw through us on that account, okay?
Yeah.
Then whenever you want, for example, when you open an account under our link and you want to verify it, we can easily help you verify it for free of charge. Why? Because you are our client. But if you have an account under someone's link, what will motivate us to help you to verify it? And there are a lot of benefits that you will benefit from there. In short, open an account under someone's credential with a different email, then you can now proceed to get free benefits from us as well.
Okay,
is it clear?
sure. Yeah, yes.
Okay, good. I'll mute you all. Let's have Matthew. Matthew, I think you are not new. Let's have new people. Augusto, you can unmute yourself, then you come through. Then we have Rukavo, Kerik, and Denver as well.
Augusto is the one that came through with the first question.
Oh, okay, good. Then let's have Rukavo, Kerik.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
good evening. Yeah.
Evening, how are you saying?
Fine, thanks, and how are you?
I'm very fine.
All right.
I just want to ask for that 6,000 for mentorship.
Yeah.
Does it take for how many months does it take?
Approximately, it's going to take us 2 months of mentorship. 1 month of theory, us running through all the dates, day 1 up to day 20, Forex as well as cryptocurrencies, full course. And then after that, we'll have another month of practicals. Practicals, you have to fund your account, then we trade it together. So it's approximately 2 months.
Okay, I understand you, sir.
All right, welcome.
Thank you.
Any other question? Let's have Denver. Denver, come through. I think Denver is lost. Let's have who's using PC and Oscar. Anyone that is. Let me also check in the chat room.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Yes.
Your username is PC. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, I just want to ask if it's possible to pay that 6,000 for mentorship as installment of 2 month or to 3 month.
Yes, it is possible to pay it in installments, but we won't start with the lesson after your first installment. We'll start with the lessons when you complete your payment. We'll just keep record. It's like you're lay buying. It's like when you lay buy something in the shop.
Okay, so okay, what if I want to pay for now and start my classes next year? Because this year I'm like caught up with school and I have a lot of things to ongoing.
It's fine. There are a lot of people that does that. You can also do that. You can pay now, then you start with your lessons next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, welcome. Let's have Oscar. Oscar? I think Oscar is gone. Okay, come through. These were the people raising hands. Let me try to lower them. Come through if you have a question.
Evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Who is speaking? Is it Johannes
It's
from
Nasdaq.
Nasdaq,
It's
NA.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, Nasdaq.
I'm asking you, does the volatilities have anything to do with the sessions?
No, volatility, it's a synthetic indices, meaning it's an artificial market that was coded by programmers that Deriv hired to simulate the real Forex market. It's not a live market, meaning it does not understand and follow news events. It's just softwares behind it, driving it to go up and down. So it doesn't follow those things.
Okay.
All right.
Good evening, Mr. Silna.
Yes, good evening, Denver.
I just wanted to ask the classes you are giving now. You said the lessons are from like tomorrow we're gonna have another session, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So is the lessons gonna be the same with like these lessons and the ones that we have to pay for the courses? Is it like more or less the similar lessons, or is it a bit different from the ones that you have to pay?
The classes we are giving now, how we give the lessons that people pay for, it's exactly the same way that we are doing it now. The classes we are giving now, if you look at our course outline, we are giving day 1. This is what we did now. We did what is Forex, né? Forex trading sessions, we covered this, best time of the day to trade, and so on. We covered these things, né?
Yes, sir.
And then tomorrow, this one we gave it for free. We usually give this one for free. Tomorrow, we will teach you how to create your trading account, day 2, choosing a reliable broker, understanding the account type, standards, financials, web fee, what is the minimum to deposit, and then the Forex brokers licenses, the ECN and STP brokers, the trading platform, and so on. This is what we'll do tomorrow, completely for free, day 2, in our course, okay? And then on Wednesday, I will give you day 3, completely for free as well, how to log into your MT5 account, to your trading platform, analyzing market depth, creating market, this how to use the application that we use to trade, completely for free. Day 4, this is where, this one is, it's free, but somehow not accessible to everyone. It will only be accessed to those that will open their accounts under our link and will deposit a 10 USD. Those are the only people that will attend day 4. You are not going to pay me anything, or you're not going to pay us anything. From now onwards, the rest of the lessons will only be delivered to those that will pay for mentorship. Day 5, where you will, yes, day 5, Forex terminologies and so on. Day 6, day 9, day 10, day 11, day 12, day 13, moving on. This one, they are not for free, only for those that will pay. As well as module 2 on cryptocurrencies. This one is only available to those that will pay for the course. That is the difference.
Okay.
All right.
So starting from day 5, it's not free. Basically.
Yes, starting from day 5, it's only for those who want to pay and continue with the Forex journey.
Okay.
All right.
Now I understand. All right.
All right. Any other question?
Nope, sir.
All right. Just to conclude, to wrap it up, who can give us just a quick review? How was the lesson? If there is any way we can improve what we did well, and as well as what we are not doing well, we also want to know where we are lacking so we can learn and improve. Just in general, how was the lesson?
Okay, so far for me, so the lesson for today was fine. Even though these things that we went through, some of them I was aware of them already, but there are some of them I knew them, but I didn't know. Like I picked up something important today from this lesson, like the trading sessions. I was really struggling with those things, but since I attended this lesson, yeah, I picked up an idea, and yeah, I took screenshots on those slides for trading sessions. It was a really fantastic lesson.
All right, thanks. It's also, I'll just remind me, let me just take note of it. Remember to get your free book if you're funding with David, your free notebook. Share slide. I'll prepare the slide and drop it, the slide that we use. I'll drop it on the group, ne?
Okay.
Hope we are all on the group. If we are not on the group, I'll drop my number in the chat room. Drop me a message. We'll add you to the group. If you are not on the, if you are not on the.
No, I'm on the group. I'm on the group.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm dropping the number on the chat room, ne? +264, or you can just save it, ne? 081-2474-144. I'll just share it on the whiteboard as well. I'll try to see if it will pick up now. Any other question? Any other comment? How was the lesson? Maybe one more person, then we can conclude.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing fine as well. Thank you.
I'm coming to your office tomorrow to collect my cap, the derivative.
No problem. No problem.
Anyway, thanks for the lesson. It was on point, the presentation, everything. Yeah. I wish you could just continue until sunrise, but I think you will go and rest also. You guys are not resting.
No, no. To be honest, we really rest.
What time do you sleep? It's almost to 11.
Yeah, but it's money. It's money, my man. I won't lie. The motivation is money. You know, with money,
Yeah,
you
thank you.
can't really you can't really sleep.
With
Like
one
now we
word,
have to
with,
like tomorrow we'll be waking up at 3:30 to trade the news on Australian dollar. So there's nothing you can do. The Australian guys, they are awake. You also just have to wake up.
they are awake. You just, yeah. With one word from my side, I think this was the lesson of my life ever have attended for Forex.
Okay.
And since ever I've joined the group, I think it was 2022, 2023. Yeah, 2022. Yeah. I have been changing from being someone in the street to being a trader also.
Okay.
And ever since I started with something like trading with math, I'm also trying to grow, blowing accounts, learning, but I think this is the opportunity that I find getting myself into the trading industry. Thanks a lot. And I wish I could just get a copy of the diary book where I would be recording my things.
No
And I
problem.
think I think for creating your using your link, huh? The one that I'm using now was created using your link because my account was closed due to some document that I submitted. Even texted you on WhatsApp the other day, and I sent you my account verified. So there I was
If
very
you
busy. I
already have
could
an
not.
account, if you already have an account, even an old account, you can just push me the CR or you just send me the balance on your CR, and then
Yes.
we can push it forward. I have a list of all the CR numbers under our link, so it's not a big problem. I just
Oh,
have to browse through and check.
okay.
Okay.
We'll just do that.
All right, no problem.
All the best, big man.
Mr. Siltner,
Yes, Denver.
I have a question that I've been actually struggling with this
Okay.
few past months. You see, the lesson was really great. You know, most like the other guy said, like there were a few things that I've been aware of, but you know, I've not been that aware in detail. So now I have like a more open, clear, black and white picture of what is going on. So what I actually wanted to ask, you see, I've always how I actually learned forex is I've not been mentored, and I've always been watching videos and stuff like that. But you know, I was going through this one video, and then this forex trader was saying, you know, like it is a must that you have to be mentored. You know, you cannot become a forex trader or a profitable trader if you don't really basically have a mentor. So I don't know how it worked out for you, but then what would be your opinion on that? Like you yourself also, were you mentored, or you know, like the journey, like if for me, you know, because there was a time there was a time where I've been profitable. You know, I've been making good money, and you know, like you know, life happened, and you know, like I have to start all over again now, and you know, learn from my mistakes, and try and figure out. So what would be your opinion or your advice on, you know, people that you know, some people that really can't afford to, you know, uh, pay for a mentor, or you know, like would you advise, you know, like is it a must that you have to be mentored, or is like if your strive is really there, you know, like you pushing and you know, being on the PC and you know, reading books and watching videos, staying consistent on that, do you think that would also help? Or you know, is it, do you really need that guidance? You know, do you really need to get under that wings to be guided through, and you know, just to you know, like, yeah, man, like, just wanna know about that.
Right. Good to hear that you learned one or two things from tonight's lesson. In my view, for me, it's an objection. The only difference that I have picked up, you can learn to trade Forex on your own through YouTube and through reading books, through reading proper websites like Daily FX or Baby Pips and so on. Just that the journey will be long trying to figure out things on your own, like try and error. For me, what have mostly helped me, I was mentored a few years back, but I won't really say the mentorship have progressed. Most of the time, what for me, to be honest, what have helped me is I happen to be in a circle of traders. Mostly my team, they are traders, and we have shared each other a lot of things, and we have refined and improved the strategy. So I was also helped by my teammates, so to say, to refine the strategy and so to say. But for a mentor, I got a mentor, but he never finished that course, to be honest. I paid him, how much did I pay? I can't remember, but we only taught maybe for 4 or 5 days and then he disappeared. That was in Windhoek. We used to attend our lessons in Pioneers Park. That was the mentor that I paid for, and then he discouraged me from paying a mentor. I pushed on learning the things myself, but what mostly happened is the team that I happened to, because for me, I gather a team of traders. If I pick up that you are good, I'll bring you on my team. If I pick up that you can potentially deliver in a certain area, I'll bring you on my team. And doing that, I have gathered a team of traders and I have learned a lot from those traders. We have managed to come up with solid strategies and so on, but that is what have helped me.
Okay, now
Yeah.
clearly understood. It's clearly understood, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's wrap it up now. All right, then thank you so much for your time. We will see you tomorrow. We'll see each other tomorrow at 9 p.m. Have a good night ahead. Bye.
Cheers, man.
Good night.